You are listening to New Voice English, the podcast where real English happens. I am Alex, your host, and with me today is Maria.
Hello everyone. Today is a very practical episode. We learn the most important everyday words in English, the words we will need every single day, at home, at work, on the street, in a shop, everywhere.
Think of today's words as your survival kit. If you know these 20 words, you can function. You can communicate. You can get through a day in English. They are that important.
I remember when I first arrived here. I had studied English for years. But when I walked out into the real world, I realized I did not know the simple everyday words. The words for ordinary things. A shop, a door, the morning. I had learned complex grammar, but not the basic building blocks. Today, we fixed that.
But first, the New Voice English joke of the week.
About daily words?
About daily life. I asked my dog what 2 minus 2 is. He said nothing.
He said nothing. 0. You say nothing. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Nothing. But also, the dog said nothing because dogs cannot speak. Nothing means 0, and nothing means the dog did not speak. Two meanings of the same word. Perfect for a vocabulary episode.
Today, 20 essential daily words. We go through them in 4 groups, 5 words in each group. After each group, we practice. We use the words in sentences. We make them stick.
Group 1. Your basic needs. The things your body and life require every day.
Word 1. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. What you drink. The liquid that keeps you alive. I drink water every morning. I need water, please. Water.
Word 2. Food. F-O-O-D. Food. What you eat. I need food. I am hungry. I need food. Do you want food? Food.
Word 3. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. What your body does at night. I need sleep. I did not sleep well last night. I am going to sleep. Sleep.
Word 4. Money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. What you use to buy things. I need money. Do you have money? I do not have enough money. Money.
Word 5. Help. H-E-L-P. Help. To assist someone, or to ask for assistance. Can you help me? I need help. Help, please. Help.
Group 1 review. Water, food, sleep, money, help. 5 survival words. Say them.
Water, food, sleep, money, help.
Now, sentences using Group 1 words. I drink water every morning. I eat food 3 times a day. I need 8 hours of sleep. I do not have much money this week. Can you help me, please?
5 words, 5 sentences, simple and natural.
Group 2. Places. The locations you go to every day.
Word 6. Home. H-O-M-E. Home. Where you live, where you belong. I am going home. I am at home. Come home. Home.
Note. Home and house are similar but different. A house is the physical building. Home is where you feel you belong. You live in a house, but you go home. I live in a house. I am going home.
Word 7. Work. W-O-R-K. Work. The place where you do your job. I go to work every day. I start work at 9. I finish work at 5. Work.
Be careful with the pronunciation of work. It does not rhyme with walk. Work. The vowel sound is like in the word bird or hurt. Work. Not walk. Work.
Word 8. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Where you study and learn. I go to school. My children go to school. I am at school. School.
Word 9. Shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. A place where you buy things. I am going to the shop. The shop is closed. Which shop do you prefer? Shop.
Word 10. Street. S-T-R-E-E-T. Street. The road outside. The path between buildings. I live on this street. Walk down the street. What street is this? Street.
Group 2 review. home, work, school, shop, street. 5 place words. Say them.
Home, work, school, shop, street.
Sentences using group 2 words. I go home after work. I walk to school every morning. The shop is on this street. I finish work at 5 o'clock and then I go home.
Notice, these words naturally connect to each other. Home and work, school and street, shop and street. The more you combine them, the more natural your English becomes.
Group 3. People and time. The words for the important people and moments in your day.
Word 11. Family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. The people you are related to. I love my family. My family is important to me. I call my family every week. Family.
Word 12. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Someone you like and spend time with. She is my friend. He is a good friend. I am meeting a friend today. Friend.
Word 13. Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. The person who helps you when you are sick. I need to see a doctor. My doctor is very kind. I have an appointment with the doctor. Doctor.
Word 14. Morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. The early part of the day, from when you wake up until about midday. Good morning. I am a morning person. I exercise every morning. Morning.
Word 15. Night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. The dark part of the day, when most people sleep. Good night. I work at night. Last night I slept very well. Night.
Group 3 review. Family, friend, doctor, morning, night. Say them.
Family, friend, doctor, morning, night.
Sentences using group 3 words. I call my family every morning. My friend came to visit last night. I saw the doctor this morning. Good night. See you tomorrow. My best friend is like family to me.
Good night. See you tomorrow. Notice how naturally night connects to the idea of ending the day and morning to beginning it.
Group 4. Everyday objects and essentials.
Word 16. Phone. P-H-O-N-E. Phone. Your mobile device, where you communicate. I use my phone every day. My phone is almost out of battery. Can I use your phone? Phone.
Word 17. Car. C-A-R. Car. The vehicle you drive. I go to work by car. I do not have a car. The car is parked on the street. Car.
Word 18. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Something you read. I read a book every night. This is a good book. I am reading a book about English. Book.
Word 19. Door. D-O-O-R. Door. The entrance to a room or building. Please open the door. Close the door, please. The door is locked. Door.
Word 20. Time. T-I-M-E. Time. What you measure in hours and minutes. What time is it? I do not have time. Time goes very fast. Time.
Group 4 review. Phone, car, book, door, time. Say them.
Phone, car, book, door, time.
Sentences using group 4 words. I read a book in the car. What time is it? Please close the door. My phone shows me the time. I do not have time to read my book tonight.
Notice, time is a word that connects to everything. Time to sleep, time to go to work, time to call family. Time is one of the most used words in the entire English language.
Now, let us put all 20 words together one final time. All 4 groups. I say the word, you say it after me, out loud. At home.
Water.
Water.
Food.
Food.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Money.
Money.
Help.
Help.
Home.
Home.
Work.
Work.
School.
School.
Shop.
Shop.
Street.
Street.
Family.
Family.
Friend.
Friend.
Doctor.
Doctor.
Morning.
Morning.
Night.
Night.
Phone.
Phone.
Car.
Car.
Book.
Book.
Door.
Door.
Time.
Time.
20 words. All said, all repeated. Now let us have a real conversation using as many of these words as possible.
Good morning, Alex. How are you?
Good morning, Maria. I am well, thank you. I need coffee. I did not sleep well last night.
Oh no. What time did you go to sleep?
Very late. I was reading a book and I lost track of time.
That is always a problem with a good book. Are you going to work today?
Yes, I leave home in about 20 minutes. I am taking the car. The streets are busy in the morning, so it might take a while.
Do you need anything before you go? Water? Food?
Actually, yes. I have no food at home. I need to stop at the shop on the way to work.
Make sure you have enough money. I went to that shop yesterday. It is not cheap.
Good point. I will check my phone for my bank balance. And I need to call my family tonight, too. I promised them last night.
Okay. Have a good day at work. Do not forget to close the door.
Thank you, Maria. Good morning.
Count them. Morning, sleep, night, book, time, work, home, car, street, water, food, shop, money, phone, family, door. 16 of our 20 words in one natural 2-minute conversation.
These words are the fabric of everyday life in English. Once you know them, you will hear them everywhere, and you will start using them without thinking.
Let us review the 4 groups one final time. Group 1, basic needs. Water, food, sleep, money, help. Group 2, places. Home, work, school, shop, street. Group 3, people and time. Family, friend, doctor, morning, night. Group 4, everyday objects. Phone, car, book, door, time.
20 words, 4 groups, all essential, all used every single day.
Your homework. Pick 5 words from today. Make 1 sentence with each word. 5 sentences. Write them down. Then, say them out loud. Hearing your own voice say English sentences is very important.
And then, tomorrow morning, when you wake up, say good morning to yourself in English. Then, say 1 sentence about your day using a word from today. Good morning, I'm going to work. Good morning, I need coffee and food. Any sentence. Just 1.
In the comments on YouTube, write 1 sentence using any word from today's list. Any word. Any sentence. I drink water every morning. I need help with my English. My family is very important to me. Write 1 sentence. We will read every single one.
That is our lesson for today. Thank you for listening to New Voice English.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. New episodes are on YouTube every week. Just search New Voice English on YouTube and click subscribe. It is free, and it helps us make more episodes for you. I am Maria.
And I am Alex. You have been listening to New Voice English. Real moments. Real you. Find us on YouTube. New episodes every week.